another video where we are discussing about candlestick patterns. In this video, we are going to learn about a candlestick pattern that is known as piercing line. Similar to bullish engulfing, after a red candle, a green candle starts well below the red candle and it goes more than 50% of the red candle, say 60 or 70%, and it closes there. This is called piercing line. Piercing line is a bullish pattern. There are a few things that you need to take care while taking a trade for piercing line. First, there should be a downtrend. Second, the entry should occur when a green candle closes above the red candle's high. Your target would be your next resistance and your stop loss would be your green candle's low. We will look into an example. This is a chart of NTPC. If you can see, there was a good downtrend going on, and if you can see here, there was a piercing line that was occurring here, a small one. To be honest, even I took a trade here, not exactly here. I took a trade somewhere in this candle. But if you see this, this is a very good example where you can see the stop loss being occurred, the resistance being tested. If you can see here, there was a piercing line, and if you see this small red candle here, it was indication that you could exit the trade. But if you see, the stop loss would have been your green candle's low if it closed below your green candle. It did not. It was very near to it, but it did not close there. And the next candle was a good green candle, and if you can see, this was considered a resistance, and even this part was considered a resistance, and it broke both the parts. And if you can see, this part is another resistance. If you can see this level here, this was also a resistance level, and you can see the price being hesitant to go above it. But when it broke that, there was no stopping to it, right? From 80s to 105, I took a trade somewhere between this candle or this candle. I have posted that in my Instagram, and you can see I earned a good 5 to 6,000 rupees there. So this is piercing line for you.